everyone. Today's video is for the faculties of B Pharmacy affiliated with Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University. As you know, all the internal and external examinations winter 2020 has been completed for semester 1 of first year B Pharm students. But the marks entry is pending. For first year admitted students of academic year 2020-21, faculties needs to upload their marks on IUMS portal. The process of this mark entry has been started now. So in today's video, we will see how the faculties can upload the marks on IOMS portal. So let's see the live demo. For the marks entry on IOMS portal, you have to open this login page. Every institute will receive these login credentials for exam use, and the same user ID and password you have to use for login. So here on this page, click on login. Enter the username and password which you have received from the university and then login over here. After login successfully in your account, you will see the two options, that is dashboard and second one is admissions and examinations. So here you have to click on admission and examinations. Here you can observe the two options are given. Uploads. So in the upload marks, you can upload the CSV file of your marks, and the second option is given, that is in the transaction, the student marks tab is given over here. So to enter the marks, the user needs to select this tab, that is student marks. So click on this student marks under transaction menu. Select the proper details over here, that is academic year 2020-21, name of examination winter 2020. Then select the faculty pharmacy. Course is Bachelor of Pharmacy. Name of the pattern is first one, that is B Pharm. Next exam, that is your semester 1, for which you have to enter your marks. So select here semester 1. Next click on subject. So you have to select the subject for which you have to enter your marks. Here I am selecting the subject, that is pharmaceutical analysis 1. Select the part, either it is a external marks or internal marks. I am selecting here internal marks. For the internal marks, two heads are given, that is continuous mode and sessional exam. So here I am selecting the sessional exam. So here you can see list of students will be displayed with their PRN numbers. You can move this page from page 2, page 3, page 4. Likewise, depending upon your number of students, the pages will be displayed over here. So you can move on these pages. Then you can enter the marks over here. In the marks column, the maximum marks are also given for the subject which you have selected. So here for sessional marks, 15 marks are maximum, which are displayed over here. Here you can enter the marks of your students and then click on save button. When you click on the save, the marks will be saved successfully. If you want to change the marks or update the marks, then you can again enter the marks over here and again click on save. So the marks will be updated over here. The second method by using which you can upload the marks, that is by using the CSV file. So by using this CSV file also you can upload the marks. For this, the same tab you have to use, that is in the transaction menu. You have to select the student marks, that is sub menu, and again you have to enter all these details. After entering all these details, here I am selecting the subject, that is pharmaceutics 1 theory, part is internal, and head I am selecting continuous mode. So here the marks are given out of 10 for continuous mode marks, but these marks I am showing you by CSV method. So click on this download mark upload file. So when you click on this download mark upload file, you will receive the CSV file. Just open it. So here you can see all the details will be observed in the CSV file, that is name of the university, name of examination, academic year, all the details and the student list will be displayed over here. this name of subject, college name, everything will be displayed on this CSV file. Below that, the list of students is given. You have to enter the marks in this last column, that is obtained marks. In this last column, you can enter the marks of your students. So for all the students, you can enter the marks over here. Since it is a continuous assessment marks, I am entering it out of 10. After entering these marks, just click on save button, save the file. Save this file by clicking on save as. Select the location where you are saving this file. Give the name to this file. So I am giving the name, that is PH1. Select the file format, that is CSV MS-DOS, and save this file. You must remember that you have to save this file in the CSV format only. If the format get changed, then it will shows the error during uploading the file. So you have to select CSV MS-DOS during saving this file. Next, you have to click on upload section, upload marks, and then here under this upload file, you have to choose your file which you have saved in your system. So here I am selecting this file. After selecting the file, click on upload. So in this way, you will receive the messages of your PRN number and marks uploaded successfully. Then again go back to the student marks. Select all the details. So since I have uploaded the marks in the CSV file for SUTIX 1 and internal marks and continuous mode, here you can observe the marks which I have uploaded, that is displayed over here in this column. So in this way, you can upload the marks by using CSV file. So by using this process, you can upload the internal marks, that is sessional and continuous assessment mode, and also you can upload the external marks of your all the subjects. For taking the print of these marks, you have to click on print. So here in this print, you will receive all the details of your mark sheet, that is marks which you have filled, then out of marks and student signature column is given over here for all the students. So you can download this file. Also you can take the print of this file. After taking the print of this file, on this hard copy you can take the student signatures and you can save it for your record in the institute. So in this way, the marks uploading will be done at institute exam login. So in this way, the marks entry can be done on IOMS portal for first year students of semester 1. So in this way, faculties can enter the marks on IOMS portal. Remember that this process of marks entry is applicable only for semester 1 of first year admitted students of academic year 2020-21. For any query, you can ask me in the comment section or you can contact the university official. Thank you so much.